Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be looking at cleaning the washing machine filter, the pump filter. Now not everybody realises the washing machine has a pump filter, something that I tend to clean roughly at 6 to 8 weeks. Now this was done a couple of weeks ago, but unfortunately I didn't make a video on the process. So today I'm going to be showing you how to keep that filter clean. Something you need to do to protect the life of the pump, prolong that life, as this channel is all about preventative maintenance. So I'll show you today how we go about doing that. Now the first thing for safety, I'm going to just unplug the washing machine. I've got a jug here filled up with soapy water and also an old toothbrush. Now this particular machine has a drain hose. Again, not all machines have that feature, so that just gives you a little bit more access. Now we'll just pull the hose out. Quite a good hose on this one, and there's a cap there at the end. We need to flick and just let the water drain into the bowl. If you haven't got that hose, then you just need to make sure that your tray is located under the actual filter, because we'll probably have a bit of water coming out there. If you find that your tray is filling up quicker than you thought and you've more water than you thought, just flick the cap back on, empty your tray, or tighten your filter back and drain the tray, and then just repeat the process. So we'll let that drain. I've just got to position this tray under that filter. Turn the filter anti-clockwise to remove it. Just withdraw the filter. A little bit of water coming out there. Now all we do with that filter, you can see this was cleaned a week ago, so there's nothing on there at all. I just pop that in a bowl with the detergent and just make sure those threads are clean. That's an important little job. You don't want any grit on those threads or around the seal. And just clean your filter with a toothbrush. This helps as well. Any odours coming from your washing machine, all part of the maintenance process. Now once you've got that filter clean, what I will do next, so again I get my toothbrush and just make sure we get rid of all the dirt inside of the housing and the threads. Just make sure those are clean. And once that's clean, just dry your filter off, wipe your threads clean, and I like clean inside the threads on the housing. Now on the actual filter, you can see with a couple of lugs. You can't put these in the wrong way. For instance, if I tried to put it in that way, it's not going to go in. So just locate those lugs. We'll retract that hose, make sure the cap is on the hose, that's plugged. Feed that back into its location. and line those threads up. Turn that clockwise until that seal is compressed tight, and that's it. That's the job done. So that's how we clean the washing machine pump filter. Definitely a worthwhile job to prolong the pump life and avoiding any issues down the line. Like I say, I tend to do this every 6 to 8 weeks. So I hope that's helped. If it has, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. It all helps the channel grow. And as always guys, take care, and I shall see you on the next video.